Hi, did you know that you can use shea butter to take off your makeup? I love using shea butter because it's really gentle on your skin. It feels great going on, and you're not using the harsh drying chemicals that are often in makeup removers. As you can see here, all you have to do is gently rub the shea butter all over your face. And the thing with the shea butter, what helps take the makeup off is actually the fat that's in the shea butter. That is what's helping to break that makeup down. What you will notice by using the shea butter repeatedly is that your skin is going to look and feel a lot more moisturized. So all you need is a warm washcloth. And once you have your warm washcloth, you can start removing the shea butter and the makeup off your face. Again, this is a much better way to remove makeup, in my opinion, than using those harsh makeup removers that are often very drying to the skin. And once you remove your makeup, you will see that your skin looks and feels very moisturized.